Hello everyone, my today's topic is introduction of pharmacovigilance. Firstly, what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacon means drug, and vigilare means to keep watch on. So, the pharmacovigilance is the process of monitoring the safety and effectiveness of drug and prevention of the adverse effect and any other drug related problems. According to the WHO definition, uh, pharmacovigilance is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect and any other drug related problems. And what is the purpose of pharmacovigilance? The purpose of pharmacovigilance is to rational and safe use of the medicine and improve the patient care and improve the public health and to improve the safe and effective use of the medicine and common terms used in the pharmacovigilance is ADR and ADE. ADR is the adverse drug reaction. It is an unwanted and undesired effect of medicine that occurs during the treatment with pharmaceutical product, and the adverse drug reaction is causally related to the drug. And about the adverse drug event, adverse drug event is the unwanted medical occurrence in the patient that occurs during with the treatment of pharmaceutical product, and the adverse drug event is may or may not be causally related to the drug. And what is day zero? Day zero means the first information that received by the pharmaceutical company with the minimum criteria, identifiable patient, identifiable reporter, suspect product, and adverse event. What is de-challenge? De-challenge means the patient, for an example, the patient is taken the 500 mg of paracetamol tablet and has developed the rashes on the skin. And after that, he stopped the medicine and the uh, treatment and the problem is resolved, or the patient is recovered from the rashes. And re-challenge. Re-challenge means re-administration of drug, uh, and after that reaction is developed. And another point, why the pharmacovigilance is necessary, because of the uh, in 1957 uh, thalidomide tragedy was occurred. The In 1957, the drug thalidomide was uh, marketed in the many country with different uh, trade name. And after that, the drug has used as various condition like morning sickness and nausea. And after that, the pregnant woman has taken this thalidomide, and after that he has a he has show the effect of congenital abnormality with severe birth defect. And after that, this drug is removed from the market. And that's why the pharmacovigilance is compulsory. Then types of reporting in pharmacovigilance. Firstly is the spontaneous reporting. Spontaneous reporting, that means the voluntary submission of the adverse event reports uh, by the healthcare professional, consumer, or any other healthcare professional, such as pharmacist, physician, nurse, coroner, and psychologist. Thank you. That's all about my topic, introduction of pharmacovigilance.